I tried Flask, Django, and Node.js for building my tool's backend. Here's why FastAPI won, and why it might be perfect for your first API project too. First, what's an API? Think of it as a waiter in a restaurant. Your website asks the waiter for data. The waiter goes to the kitchen, that's your database, gets what you need, and brings it back. FastAPI is just really good at being that waiter. Here's the thing, I could write a simple endpoint in Flask in 5 lines. FastAPI needs about the same, but FastAPI gives me automatic documentation, type checking, and data validation for free. Flask, I'd have to build all that myself. Let me show you what FastAPI actually powers on my site. These aren't demo tools. Real people use these to solve actual development problems. Here's my blog title generator. I type in a topic, hit generate, and get 10 title suggestions. Behind the scenes, my website sends that topic to my FastAPI backend, which talks to OpenAI, processes the response, and sends back structured data. And here's what's beautiful. FastAPI automatically built this documentation. Every endpoint, every parameter, every response format. I wrote minimal documentation code. So why not Flask? Flask is good, but I'd spend weeks building what FastAPI gives me automatically. Django? Great for complex web apps, but heavy for simple APIs. Node.js? JavaScript everywhere sounds cool until you're dealing with complex async debugging. FastAPI just makes sense. Send it bad data? It tells you exactly what's wrong. Need docs? Already built. Want to add a new tool? One file, a few lines, done. In this series, you'll build a real FastAPI backend step by step. We'll start with a simple Hello World endpoint, add a database, integrate with AI services, and end up with actual tools people can use. I'm not going to teach you theory. We're building real stuff that generates real value. Here's what matters. My tools have helped users solve hundreds of problems. The blog title generator has helped create many articles. The WordPress plugin conflict detector has saved hours of debugging time. These aren't side projects. They're actual business tools that started as simple FastAPI endpoints. Next video, we'll install FastAPI and build your first endpoint. You'll have a working API in under 10 minutes. The goal isn't to understand everything, it's to build something that works. Then understand how it works.